Artificial intelligence, AI, has been one of the most discussed and debated topics in the last decade, with significant advances in various areas, from healthcare to industrial automation. However, along with the growth of AI, many myths and misunderstandings have emerged, creating confusion and, in some cases, fear. In this article, we will explore and debunk 5 of the most common myths about AI, offering a clearer and more grounded view of what's really happening in the world of artificial intelligence. Myth 1. AI will steal all human jobs. The origin of the myth. AI, being an advanced technology capable of automating complex processes, has been seen by many as the next big threat to the job market. The idea of machines taking over all types of jobs is fueled by media stories and examples of sectors where automation has already reduced the need for human labor. The reality: while it's true that AI is automating many tasks, the reality is more complex. Instead of simply replacing human workers, AI is creating new job opportunities and transforming the nature of work. Let's explore some key points to better understand this dynamic. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI is particularly effective in automating repetitive and low-value-added tasks, such as data entry, basic customer service via chatbots, and analysis of large volumes of data to identify patterns. These are tasks that often don't require creativity or critical thinking, allowing human workers to focus on more strategic and creative activities. Creation of new job categories. AI is generating demand for new roles and skills that didn't exist before. Data scientists, AI engineers, AI ethics specialists, and automation managers are just a few examples of careers that are in high demand. Companies of all sizes are investing in talent that can help them implement and manage AI solutions. Increased productivity and innovation. Rather than completely replacing workers, AI can increase human productivity, allowing people to perform their tasks more efficiently. For example, AI tools can assist doctors in analyzing complex exams, but the final interpretation and clinical decision-making still depend on human judgment. This results in more efficient work and often better outcomes for patients. Reskilling and adaptation. Although some roles may be automated, this doesn't mean workers will be permanently unemployed. There's a growing movement to reskill workers so they can take on new roles that require human skills complementary to AI. Training programs and continuing education are helping workers adapt to the new scenario, keeping them competitive in the job market. Practical examples. Automotive industry. In the automotive sector, robotics and AI are being used to automate assembly lines, reducing the need for labor in repetitive tasks. However, the demand for automation engineers, robot maintenance specialists, and AI software developers has increased. BMW, for example, has implemented collaborative robots that work alongside humans, increasing efficiency without completely eliminating the need for human workers. Service sector. In the service sector, AI-powered chatbots are becoming common for customer service. Companies like Amazon use virtual assistants to solve simple issues, while human employees handle more complex problems. This allows for faster and more efficient service while freeing up employees to focus on issues that require a personal touch. Conclusion. AI won't steal all jobs, but it is redefining what it means to work in an increasingly automated world. Instead of fearing AI, it's crucial to understand how it can be used to enhance human capabilities and create new job opportunities. Myth 2. AI is equal to human intelligence. The origin of the myth. Many movies, books, and TV shows portray AI as almost human entities, capable of thinking, feeling, and making decisions like us. This culturally widespread image has led many people to believe that AI, as we know it today, is equivalent to or even superior to human intelligence. The confusion is also fueled by terms like artificial intelligence, which may suggest that AI is a direct imitation of the human mind. The reality: despite remarkable advances, current AI is far from replicating the complexity and adaptability of human intelligence. Let's explore what really distinguishes AI from human intelligence. Narrow AI versus general AI. Most AIs that exist today are narrow or weak AIs designed to perform specific tasks such as image recognition, language translation, or chess moves. These AIs can outperform humans in their specific areas but lack the ability to apply their knowledge to different contexts. On the other hand, human intelligence is general, allowing a person to use skills and knowledge in a wide range of situations. Lack of consciousness and emotion. Current AI does not possess consciousness, emotions, or understanding of the world. It operates based on algorithms and data, without understanding the context or moral implications of its actions. This means that while AI can process information quickly and make decisions based on patterns, it does not have the ability to think or feel like a human being. Dependence on data and training. AI learns and operates based on large volumes of data. Its performance depends on the quality and quantity of the data it was trained on. Humans, on the other hand, can learn from limited experiences, apply acquired knowledge in different situations, and create innovative solutions to unprecedented problems. Limitations in creativity and innovation. Although AI can generate new combinations of ideas and even create works of art or music, it does so within the parameters defined by the data and algorithms provided by humans. Human creativity, on the other hand, is driven by experiences, emotions, and a deep understanding of the world, allowing for the creation of truly original and innovative works. Practical examples: games. The AI that defeated human champions in chess or the game Go, like AlphaGo, is highly specialized. It was trained with millions of games and optimized to make decisions in a well-defined problem space. However, this AI cannot apply its skills to solve a physics problem or write a novel. Its intelligence is narrow and limited to the context in which it was trained. Virtual assistants. Assistants like Apple's Siri or Google Assistant are examples of AIs that interact naturally with users. However, their intelligence is limited to following commands and answering questions based on pre-existing data. They have no deep understanding of what words mean or the emotional intent behind questions. Conclusion: AI is a powerful tool, but it's far from being equivalent to human intelligence. It is effective in specific tasks, but it lacks the flexibility, creativity, and consciousness that characterize the human mind. Instead of fearing or idealizing AI, we should recognize it as a complementary technology that can amplify our capabilities, but not replace them. Myth 3. AI is only for big companies. The origin of the myth. During the early days of AI, successful implementations were usually associated with large corporations with vast financial and technological resources. Companies like Google, Amazon, and IBM invested billions in AI research and development, creating the impression that AI is a technology that only large companies can use. The reality: in recent years, AI has democratized, becoming accessible to small and medium-sized enterprises and even individuals. Here are some ways AI is becoming more accessible. Cloud-based tools and platforms. The availability of cloud-based AI platforms such as Google Cloud AI, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure allows companies of all sizes to access powerful AI tools without the need for their own infrastructure. These platforms offer a variety of services from machine learning to natural language processing, which can be used at an affordable cost. Pre-built AI software. There are many AI-based software and applications that have been pre-built to solve specific problems such as marketing automation, customer service, and data analysis. Tools like HubSpot, which includes AI for marketing automation, or Zendesk, which uses AI to improve customer service, are examples of how small businesses can leverage AI without having to develop it internally. Educational communities and resources. There is an abundance of educational resources available online, from free tutorials to paid courses that teach entrepreneurs and developers how to implement AI in their businesses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer courses that allow anyone to start learning about AI and how to apply it in different business contexts. Accessible AI APIs. Many AI service providers offer APIs that allow companies to integrate AI functionalities into their own systems without the need to develop complex algorithms. For example, OpenAI's GPT API allows companies to integrate natural language capabilities into their applications, and Google's Vision API allows companies to use image recognition in their products. Practical examples. Small businesses. A small e-commerce business can use AI-powered chatbots to offer customer support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without the need for a large support team. This improves customer experience and reduces operational costs. Startups. Startups can use AI to analyze large volumes of customer data and identify trends, allowing them to make more informed marketing decisions and personalize offers for different customer segments. For example, a startup in the fitness sector can use AI to recommend personalized exercise routines based on user activity data. Conclusion: AI is no longer a technology exclusive to large corporations. With the emergence of accessible tools and educational resources, companies of all sizes can harness the power of AI to improve their operations, make smarter decisions, and provide better customer experiences. Myth 4. AI doesn't make mistakes. The origin of the myth. The idea that AI is infallible comes partly from the perception that machines, unlike humans, are not susceptible to emotions, fatigue, or biases. Many believe that since AI operates based on data and algorithms, it will always make the right decision as long as it's well programmed. The reality: although AI can perform complex calculations and process large amounts of data accurately, it is not infallible. AI can and does make mistakes, often due to limitations in training data, flaws in algorithms, or incorrect interpretations of data. Let's explore the main reasons why AI can err. Biased or incomplete data. The quality of AI results directly depends on the quality of the data it was trained on. If the data is biased, incomplete, or poorly represented, AI can perpetuate these biases and generate incorrect or unfair results. For example, an AI trained on historical recruitment data may learn and replicate gender or racial biases present in that data. Overfitting and underfitting. Overfitting occurs when an AI is trained to fit so well to the training data that it loses its ability to generalize to new data. Underfitting, on the other hand, happens when the AI doesn't capture enough complexity from the data. Both cases can lead to incorrect predictions or decisions when the AI is applied to new scenarios. Misinterpretation of context. AI does not have contextual understanding in the same way humans do. For example, image recognition systems can confuse objects in atypical scenarios. In a famous incident, an AI system mistakenly identified a turtle as a rifle due to a distorted image. AI, unlike humans, doesn't understand context in the same way, which can lead to serious errors in critical situations. Algorithmic limitations. AI algorithms have their own limitations and are designed to work within certain parameters. When confronted with situations that are outside their original design, the results can be unexpected or incorrect. This is particularly evident in AI systems used in finance, where small changes in market conditions can lead to automated financial decisions that result in large losses. Practical examples. Facial recognition. AI-powered facial recognition systems, such as those used in airports or for surveillance, have shown higher error rates when identifying people from minority ethnic groups. This is because many of these systems were trained with data that doesn't adequately represent the diversity of the population. Healthcare. AI algorithms used to diagnose diseases based on imaging exams or medical records can make mistakes if the training data is not comprehensive. For example, an algorithm that wasn't trained with sufficient data on rare diseases may fail to identify these conditions in new patients. Conclusion: AI is a powerful tool, but it's not infallible. Errors can occur due to limitations in data, algorithms or AI's ability to interpret context correctly. It's essential that AI developers and users understand these limitations and implement human oversight and verification measures to ensure accuracy and fairness in AI results. Myth 5. AI is an immediate threat to humanity. The origin of the myth. The idea that AI poses an immediate existential threat to humanity is largely fueled by science fiction and public figures warning about the potential dangers of uncontrolled AI. Movies like The Terminator and The Matrix have popularized the idea of intelligent machines turning against their creators. Additionally, debates about superintelligent AI, which could eventually surpass human intelligence and become uncontrollable, have been discussed by experts worldwide. The reality, while it's important to consider the ethical and safety impacts of AI, the idea that AI currently poses an immediate threat to humanity is exaggerated. Let's analyze some key points to better understand this issue. Current AI is narrow and limited. The AI we have today is known as narrow or weak AI, which means it's designed to perform specific tasks and doesn't have the capacity for general reasoning or self-sufficiency. Although AI can outperform humans in specific tasks, such as pattern recognition or data analysis, it doesn't have the ability to develop its own will or act outside of programmed limits. Superintelligence is still hypothetical. The idea of a superintelligent AI that could surpass all human capabilities and become uncontrollable is still purely theoretical. Although it's a research topic in fields such as AI ethics and philosophy, the technology necessary to create a truly autonomous and superintelligent AI is still far beyond what we can achieve today. Regulation and oversight. Governments and organizations around the world are increasingly focused on developing regulations and guidelines for the development and use of AI. These measures aim to ensure that AI is developed and implemented safely and ethically, minimizing the risks of misuse or uncontrolled development. AI as an aid tool. Currently, AI is primarily viewed and used as an aid tool that can enhance human capability in various areas, from medical diagnostics to business decision-making. It's designed to operate under human supervision, with control and monitoring mechanisms to ensure its actions are aligned with human objectives. Practical examples: autonomous cars are an example of AI applied to the real world. They use AI to make real-time decisions, such as braking, accelerating, or changing lanes. However, these systems are designed with multiple levels of supervision and safety to ensure they operate safely and don't harm passengers or pedestrians. So far, the AI in these vehicles operates within strictly defined limits set by engineers and regulators. AI in defense. In military contexts, AI is being used for data analysis and decision support, but always with a significant level of human oversight. The idea of autonomous weapon systems that operate without human intervention is widely debated and would face many ethical and practical obstacles before being considered a reality. Conclusion. While AI presents important challenges and ethical issues, the idea that it poses an immediate threat to humanity is exaggerated. Current AI is limited and operated under human supervision, and concerns about superintelligence remain in the realm of speculation. The focus, therefore, should be on responsible development and safe implementation of AI to ensure it benefits society in a positive and controlled manner. Final conclusion. Debunking these myths about artificial intelligence is essential for us to fully understand and harness the potential of this technology. AI is not an immediate threat, nor is it a substitute for human intelligence. It's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can transform entire sectors and create new opportunities. By understanding the reality behind these myths, we can better prepare for the future and make more informed decisions about how to integrate AI into our lives and businesses.